Some people don't fail loudly. They don't crash. They don't burn. They just disappear. Slowly, silently, into a version of themselves they don't even recognize. You want to know how it happens? Habit number 1. You silence your own thoughts. You scroll, you copy, you repost. You start to believe what the comments say before you ever ask what you believe. Originality becomes risky, safer to blend in. And without realizing it, your voice, it vanishes. Habit number 2. You perform instead of connect. You laugh at jokes you hate. You wear what's safe. You hide the parts of yourself that made you weird, but also made you real. That thing you loved as a kid, you buried it. Not because it stopped mattering, but because someone made you feel ashamed for being passionate. Habit number 3. You play it safe forever. The job you hate, you stay. The project you dream of, you stall. Not because you don't want more, but because fear whispers, "What if you fail?" But you know what's worse? Never trying. A flawless life means nothing if you never lived it. Habit number 4. You blame instead of build. It's easier to point fingers. Easier to say, "My parents ruined me. The system failed me. They broke me." But as long as they hold the blame, you lose the power. Here's a challenge. For just 24 hours, stop complaining. Take one tiny action toward the life you want. No post, no pity, just progress. Because your story isn't over unless you choose to stop writing it. So ask yourself, are you building your life or just letting it happen?